Prophet Noble Ali. Prophet Noble Ali.
Serene Tuba, what up? Check a nigga. Oh, I'm back. Listen. Serene Tuba, what up? Check a nigga. Oh, I'm back. Listen. King Dolo Islam.
Islam to the death.
King Dolo Islam.
Islam to the death. The death. Noble Ali. Noble Ali. Noble Ali. Noble Ali.
It's my job to bring you about black historians. So, Noble Ali, prophet right out of North Carolina. He did come here, but who else to tell you more about him and King Dolo Islam?
Before you break it down, who was Prophet Noble Ali for those who didn't know? When did he come? What did he do? What was he about?
Noble Ali was born in 1886. He was a Capricorn, January 8th. If you card dated back inside of me, card dated back inside of me. If you card dated back inside of me, if you card dated back inside of me, how you gonna doubt that the Noble Ali can't come back? Fuck out of here, y'all niggas slime balls. But more science means dark skinned man or woman who likes to, to tell the experience, and that's what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? More science right here. Anytime you hear a rapper rap, that's... Thank you, brother. Why give that title when Caucasians eat it up and abuse it? Why call yourself Moorish American when crackers ate America and ate it up and shitted it out? You're not gonna hand me back the whore after you fucked her. I don't want her. So you gonna fuck her and then give it to me? No, I'm gonna take it back to my ancient ancestors to learn. You see what I'm saying? For the MU. For the third eye. The numbers don't lie when people do. The 3. It's nothing but a 3. M-U-U-R-MUUR. You are MUUR. What the hell? There's no problem with that. But then it's complicated with this other stuff. Ethiopian, African, Negro, color, black. You're not Jamaican. You're not Jamaican because J's came in alphabet in the 1500s. You're not Haitian because Haitian means they hate on your own. Haitian means they hate on your own in French now. These motherfuckers think you slick now. Haitian means they hate on your own. So please call yourself a Zo. Zo means to the bone, to the gristle, to the heart. You know what I'm saying? If you a Zo, if you say you Haitian, I know for a fact that it's gonna be hard to change it. Niggas can't even say white. Or the niggas won't stop saying white. So stop saying Haitian. This is what we gotta start doing. We gotta start changing the words. You're not African. Africans are from Leo Africans. You stop the African shit. Africa's really cush. I respect it. But at the end of the day, it's a Christian title, name. Because Leo Africans was a Moor that lived in Miami, lived in Grenada, and when he got captured, he had to switch his name to Leo African. He had to be on the Catholic side, the Christian side. And African is whatever the hell how you say it in his way, they say it. It's Christian. It's a black Christian. It's still nigga. It's still Moorish. It's still because he was still a Moor. His nickname was Fez. You're not Ethiopian because Ethiopian means something that's divided. That's when the earth divided. When the water made the earth divided, that's when we call it Ethiopia. For those that are like, we call it Ethiopia. Well, yeah, because something divided the earth. It means something divided. When Lord God made the earth crack, something divided Ethiopia. That's when the Moors started calling Ethiopia. But then we see that was getting flipped as being in slavery, so we stopped that. You're not Ethiopia. You got M in your hand, you ain't got an E in your hand. Okay? Black coincides means death. Why call myself black when it means, in my mind, it means death? My mind is dying. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But my melanin is spitting, so I can call myself black amongst my people. But when it comes to that monkey, I'm not gonna say black because the Caucasian got it in black and white. That black means negative because black is something negative and positive. So the cracker took that black and made it into a negative physically. So we can't call ourselves black physically. You know, not to that monkey. Amongst ourselves, black power, all that shit amongst each other, because we know we spiritual. We got spiritual black melon popping. But amongst the devil, we don't say we're black. We just can't do it because he made a law. He made black seem negative. And all these people saying so much complicated stuff, but that's what it is.
King Dolo Islam.
Islam to the death. You know, Moors, Americans took treaties with crackers. That's why they don't say the same thing I say. They're used to that shit.
Cheikh Amadou Bamba, Ndigeuel, moet ik cut it out.
Bible reader, Quran banger, King seeker, Kasat singer, fire reader, Queen danger, sending of a Blackfoot, chief when I'm angered. Ever since I got my black ass up that manger, Jagrastafari I done came up. Cheikh your Bamba man, bless the name up. Queen Ayaba big man, bless her name up. This one is Jagrastafari. You come here, this one is Jagrastafari. We come here to spread righteous vibes. Bang.
King Dolo Islam.
Islam to the death. Every draw leave.
King Dolo, again, break it down, Noble Jewelry, and a lot of tribes that you see in cities and what's going on around you. We bring you a lot because of Black History Month. We don't really do Black History, we just do our history. This is our History Month, and we want to thank again King
Making
Dolo
history.
for me, you heard? King Dolo. See as we walk, you see that image right there on the wall? What is that? Why is that really there? What's going on there?
Okay, this is a Caucasian dude right here. He's supposed to be the 16th Pope. 16, 1 plus 6 is 7. He the only Pope that's really gonna tell these Caucasians really what it is. That y'all, this not y'all land. And he's gonna tell them in different type of ways, in the Caucasian way, of course.
Keys.
But once you sign the paper, you house owners, once y'all sign papers, you say that the Moors will never wake up. The mortgage papers say the Moors will never wake up. Do you agree that the Moors will never wake up, right? Yeah. So you're saying the Moors will never wake up, and you saying once the Moors wake up, you got to give up your home, you got to give up your land, your property. So you're still a slave. That's what citizen coming at. You know what I'm saying? Citizen and salary, the origin of the word are the same thing. You're saying that you owe Romans. You know what I'm saying? That ain't nothing but saying that you're a slave. That salary and citizen, you nothing but a slave. This is Christopher Columbus.
Wow, that's
Come back here. Filming?
You see the Indian heads under the Moorish Indian heads is under his feet. And he got his right foot out though. He got his hand out down like this, like y'all niggas bow the fuck down. You see his hand is bowed, niggas bow down. This is Christopher Columbus. Now if you spell Christopher Columbus, his last name is Cipher. It's Cipher. It's 0, it's a circle, and then Iper, I-P-H-E-R. So we in Christ Cipher. That's what it is. You dig what I'm saying? 1492 right here. 1492. You see that? That's the year that Moors lost. You dig? Moors lost that year, you heard? 523 years ago.
And explain the Granado.
Granada is what we lost in 1492. The Moors' last Moorish stronghold in the south. It was, we just think it's overseas. The last Moorish stronghold is just the Caucasians changed the words. They changed all these words, made those words overseas, over here. That's what these Caucasians did, not turn the map. Ndigeuel Ali said, we being ran by the act of words. You know, Moors, Americans took treaties with crackers. That's why they don't say the same thing I say. They used for that shit. No, but that's what it is. He made up rules, not laws. Because we made laws.
Ooh.
We forced our law on them. Spiritually and physically.
Yes.
We forced the spirit of our law on them. We forced our law physically. So, they say anything, Miami got secrets. Miami never tell the fucking secrets, yo. All them fucking secrets. So it's levels of food. You know, you cut an apple open or something, you see the layers. These niggas got so many layers that you can't get to the truth that Miami's Granada. Well, we lost in Miami because there's so much bullshit. You got Jamaicans. Jamaicans don't talk. You know that. Then you got Haitians. Haitians be fake Haiti. Jamaicans be fake. And you don't know what the fuck going on. It's just secrets between both. I've been around both. Haitians got secrets, dog. Trust me. Jamaicans got secrets, dog. And them is part of the layers. You gotta get past that shit before you can get to that Miami's Granada. I was around some dirty Moors in Miami, man. Filthy. Filthy to the heart. And Caucasians are tricky. They'll put their right foot out. They have their tassel on the right. But that don't mean them niggas righteous. Them niggas is morons. Them niggas is coming in to throw you off. This is the Caucasian did. He scared niggas. He scared niggas with the mask and shit. That's how he scared niggas. He scared niggas and called niggas citizens. And the Caucasians did a lot of little tricky things to animals. And put animals in slavery also. You know what I'm saying? But let's keep it moving, brother. Put our next one.
King Dolo Islam.
Islam to the death. Ndigeuel Ali. Oh yeah, Ndigeuel Ali died 720. That's why I'm a 720-degree Master Mason. You dig? Bruce Lee died too that year, 720. He came back in Bruce Lee, but that's another story. Y'all don't know about this Re-Incarnation shit. Y'all so fucking physical. Bitch ass niggas. They so physical. Why he so skinny? He looked big on the TV. I said, wow. Y'all physical. Rick Ross is skinny. The real Rick Ross is skinny. Skinny as fuck. Ndigeuel Ali skinny. Tupac skinny. Haile Selassie skinny. What y'all want me to do? Y'all used to big Rick Ross? I don't understand that one. How y'all boys gonna do that? Ndigeuel Ali. Reincarnated back inside the MUUR as a Sagittarius. He moved up the ladder. Was born in North Carolina. Nobody know what city I was born in. I feel it's Greensboro. Don't be so physical, boys. This is why y'all can't understand or overstand Ndigeuel Ali back, because y'all not spiritual. If y'all was spiritual, then y'all will see. Y'all will help me to see more of myself. So that's why he said the 2000s is going to be ready, because his spirit was going to come back in 2000. If y'all doubting that his spirit came back, y'all niggas ain't shit. If y'all was spiritual, then y'all will see. Y'all will help me to see more of myself. How you going to doubt that the Ndigeuel Ali can't come back? That's what it's all about. Each one teach one. Fuck out of here. Y'all niggas slime ball. Ndigeuel Ali was the first one to bring Islam to our people. Some say religion, but he had to do it at that time as a religion because of the modern days we living in. He couldn't come at you as MUURs because this was the last. He was teaching the last tribe of Israel. 59,999 Israelites, that Moorish Israelites, Hebrews that followed Yaqub, reincarnated. They came back. He was following. He was teaching slaves, so he had to come at them as religion and Moorish American in that way. So that's why he said the 2000s is going to be ready, because his spirit was going to come back in 2000. If y'all doubting that his spirit came back, y'all niggas ain't shit. How y'all Moors going to do that? How y'all going to doubt that the Noble Drew Ali can't come back? Thank you to ZU, he made this for me, you know what I'm saying? Noble New Ali. That's what the ID say, Noble New Ali. And that's me, dogs. You know what I'm saying? Right there in the flesh. You know what I'm saying? I'm back. I repeat myself. No.